In this video, I'm going to show you how this one website pays you over $1,000 every single month simply for sharing ebooks online. And I'm going to show you how it all works inside this video. This method works anywhere in the world and you get paid into your PayPal account. So no matter wherever you live, you can make this money for yourself simply by following the instructions that I'm going to point out in this video. I'm also going to show you free ways of promoting your product using this website. So if that's something that interests you, do make sure you watch this video to the end and you don't skip any single part, because the video is going to be quite detailed, and if you miss one part, the system is not going to work for you. With that being said, if this is your first time coming to the channel, I make videos like this where I teach people how to make money online. So if that's a topic that interests you, do make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this particular video, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make new videos on the channel. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm going to jump straight into this website and show you how to make over $1,000 using it. So some of you might have guessed, but if you don't know already, this is the website right here, and essentially it is an email autoresponder platform. This particular one is called getresponse.com, and if you follow my videos on the channel, you know I have talked about GetResponse previously in the past, as it is one of the email software providers that I used, but I didn't really go in depth into how you can make money with GetResponse.com, and that's what I'm actually going to do in this video. So to get started, all you want to do is actually visit getresponse.com. If you haven't already, I would even recommend signing up for an account on this website because it's actually that good, and they're not asking me to promote them in this video. I'm just telling you because I use their services and they are one of the best email autoresponder platforms out there. So once you visit getresponse.com, all you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for this part where it says product, and under product look for where it says affiliate programs and click on it. So when you click on the affiliate program, you're going to be led to a new page that looks like this. Get paid when you refer clients to GetResponse, and you can sign up for an affiliate account. So the affiliate account is actually different from the main GetResponse account, because with the affiliate account you are essentially promoting GetResponse. You are not using it. It's not the same login that you use if you had a normal GetResponse email autoresponder platform. So let's just go over this site and I'll show you the step-by-step method to follow. So once you scroll down here, you can read about the affiliate program. So they tell you it's for affiliates who want to create a new source of revenue, for freelancers, bloggers, review sites and content creators, for affiliates with small business traffic, and for marketing consultants, small agencies and online marketing experts. So none of this should really concern you because I'm going to show you how to actually make money, even if you are none of this, right? Even if you are not a regular affiliate, whether you are an influencer or a freelancer or a blogger, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to show you how to use this. So they have two great programs that you can choose from. There's two types of affiliate programs on GetResponse. The first one is the affiliate bounty program. Now with this one, you get paid $100 for every single sale that you refer, right? And with this one, you get monthly payouts. They give you free marketing material, and you also get real-time earning statistics. And on the other hand, we have the affiliate recurring program. So this one is for sustainable long-term revenue, and with this one they pay you 33% for every sale that you refer. It also has monthly payouts. They give you marketing materials, and you also get statistics. Now for this method, I'm going to advise that you go with the bounty program, because to be honest, most people that you get to sign up for the recurring, even as it's 33%, most people will end up going for the lower plan, and most people may not upgrade. But if you're someone that gets a high amount of traffic, if you have like an established blog or you're an influencer, this might work out for you. But for this method, I would advise that you stick with the affiliate bounty program, because you get paid $100 for every sale that you refer. So all you have to do is click on sign up, follow the process, and then sign up to create your own affiliate bounty program account. So that's how it works. Other benefits of the program, as you can see over here, is that you get unlimited commissions. So you can get as much commissions as you want. There's no limit to the money that you can make. You also get free marketing assets like I told you, and then you also get detailed statistics, and then you have a 120-day cookie life support. What this simply means is that if someone uses your link to visit the GetResponse site, if they don't buy, and if they buy, like let's say in the next 30 days, next 60 days, in the next 90 days, up to 120 days, you will still get paid because you sent them to the website. All right, so you can also visit the website, you can read more details about it, you can read about the earnings, how much you can get paid, how do you get paid, and who you can promote the program to. So let's go back up, and I'm going to continue with this right here. So under the affiliate bounty program, like I said, just click on sign up and create an account. So once you create an account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see up here at the top, you are given your affiliate link automatically. So this link right here, when you click on copy, this link right here is what you are going to be promoting to get sales, right? If anybody clicks on this link and signs up to get response through your link, you're going to get paid $100 instantly. How cool is that? So let me also show you some other features of the website right here. If you go up to tools, you can see they give you banners you can use to promote. They give you emails, text, infographics, videos, signatures, and even the logo that you can use to promote. So they give you all the marketing materials that you need to actually promote this product and make sales. And under the statistics area, you can see you have access to your referred accounts, you can see your affiliate links and campaigns, more promotional materials, and you also have a look at your earnings dashboard. Now, I know I said that you can make money by sharing ebooks, and you're probably wondering, how do you go about doing this? How do you end up making money? Well, one of the easiest and free ways to make money using this method is by sharing ebooks. And how does that work? It simply works by this. You take this link that you have right now. So after signing up, you get this link, but then you ask yourself, what kind of people are interested in email marketing? What kind of people who want to sign up on a site like this, and you get paid? It's simple. It's people that have small businesses, people that are interested in internet marketing, people that want to know how to make money online. They'll be interested in signing up for a tool like this. So all you have to do is simply head over to a PLR website, and for this one I'm using free PLR downloads. So if you visit freeplrdownloads.com and you search for email marketing, you're going to receive a lot of results. So they give you free articles. PLR means that you can actually use these products for free. These products have already been created. All you have to do is just use them, and you can use them as your own, and you don't have any legal problems if you use any of these products. So if you come onto this website and you take one of these articles, or you can take as many articles as you want to, all you want to do is, after you download the articles, you're going to edit the PDF and you're going to insert your affiliate link inside the article. You're going to insert your affiliate link inside those articles or inside the PDFs. So they have different PDFs about email marketing, they have different PDFs about list building. As you can see, this one is very powerful, 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. So if you get all these ebooks, all you have to do is simply put your link inside the ebook. Now, how do you actually get traffic? How do you share these ebooks and make money? I'm going to show you a very simple method which you can use to do that, and that is Facebook groups. So right here you can see one of the active Facebook groups that I really don't even promote, I don't even talk about, but you can see this group has a lot of engagement in it. In the past 28 days, I've received over 20,000 people posting and commenting on this group, and in the past 28 days, as you can see here, over 465,000 people have viewed the group. Now, if you don't have a Facebook group like this, because I'm sure most people would say, oh, I don't have a Facebook group, so how exactly do I get traffic? All you have to do is come into Facebook, and you can actually search for Facebook groups. So if you come up here on the Facebook tab, you can search for small business owners, or you can search for email marketing groups. All you want to do is visit the group and join the group, especially groups that have large numbers of people inside them. You join the group, and then you begin to talk about email marketing. So you can post your article in the group, or you can post an article, and at the end of the article you leave a link to your free ebook which you're giving them to learn how to use email marketing. So the process, like I said, is very, very simple. You get your link from Get Response, you go over to this PLR website, you download the PLR materials, and then what you do is you head over to a site like Facebook groups, and then you post your ebooks or your articles inside these groups and you get paid money. So the amount of money that you're going to be paid is not limited to $1,000. It basically is limited to how many ebooks that you can share and how many people find your ebooks valuable and download it and sign up with your links. Like I said at the beginning of this video, GetResponse is actually a very reputable website, so many people would not have any objection to using it. All you have to do is to be the one that will drive them over to the website, and if they like it, they are going to sign up and they are going to use your link and you're going to get paid. So that is basically how this process works. Because it's a free method, I will expect that you guys actually do some of your research on it. I've given you all the links that you need to make this possible for yourself. All you have to do, you can even set all this up in one afternoon if you take it very seriously. Just take away all distractions, focus on this, and you can set up this system for yourself in just one day and have it working for you. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make new videos like this on the channel. I try to post videos like this consistently, so doing all this that I've said, subscribing and liking and turn on the notification bell, shows me that you actually like the content, and I'll continue to put out more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.